everyone. This video is going to show you how to save your Google Forms responses into the same spreadsheet. So normally when you have a Google form, you'll go to responses, and yes, you can look at everything here, but if you want it in spreadsheet format, it'll ask you to create the spreadsheet for the initial time. But instead of creating a new spreadsheet so that this form is attached to its own spreadsheet, I want to actually select an existing spreadsheet for it to go to. So I'm going to click the box next to select existing spreadsheet and then choose the option select. So now it'll populate all the spreadsheets that I have and I can find the spreadsheet that I am looking for. If you know the name of the spreadsheet you want it to go to, you can actually just type it in here and it'll populate and you can just select it right from there. So it took me right into my Sheets Examples spreadsheet. And as you can see, I have a ton of other tabs down here and I can click on this and move it to wherever I want. If that was my exit ticket, I can select here and rename and call it exit ticket. So now I have this all inside of my database or my Sheets Examples. Same thing with assignment submission. I go to my responses and yes, I can see my summaries here. But if I want that spreadsheet, when I select create, instead of creating the new one, I'm going to select an existing one. And I know that my sheet that I want is called Sheets Examples. So it's going to populate right to my Sheets Examples spreadsheet again. And so again, I have form responses 2 here, but I want to rename it assignment because I came from my assignment submission. So it's there. And again, I can move it wherever I want to. It even gives me a nice little icon telling me it's from a Google Form submission. I hope this helps you to collect and organize all of your Sheets responses, especially if you do a new exit ticket once a week or something. You can actually have all of your exit ticket responses go into the same spreadsheet so you can look from week to week how your students are responding instead of having to open up every spreadsheet that form is associated with.